The Users page is where you add and edit your administration team. If I edit this person here, you can see that this person is set to be a senior administrator. In other words, they can do all the management jobs that are needed. Below this is the exec administrator, and this person can do all the necessary work for day-to-day management of the bookings and customers and so on. They're just restricted from accessing a few of the extra pages, which are best left to the senior administrator. And you can also restrict this level to specific centres, and this might be useful if you've got somebody who's working for one of your centre owners and you want them to be able to see the bookings, but you just want to limit them to specific centres. Below this is a View All Centre login level, and these people can only view bookings and customers. They can't make any edit changes. And again, you can fine-tune this to specific centres. Below that is the centre owner, which will be covered in a separate video. You can also fine-tune the customer access, and this is really only used for people who are set to specific centre access, and you can allow them to see all the customers, those in the current week in their centre, or no customers at all. In the centre panel are the main details for this person, and you can allow them to appear on the front of the site by ticking this box here. This is the order in which their name will appear on the front of the site, and this is the job title, phone number, whatever you wish to include. Below this will include the person's details at the bottom of the emails that get sent out to customers. And again, there's the order, the job title, and finally you can tick this box, Notify Bookings, which will then make sure that this person is notified of any bookings that come in through the website. Those emails are only sent once a day, so this person would then receive all the booking notifications once a day. You can also set them as a centre executive, in other words, the representative for that centre. So if we go to the actual centres, once I tick this box and save it, we go to the shopping centres, edit one of them. You could then select that person's name as the centre executive. Those details will then appear at the bottom on the centres page on the front of the site, along with their photograph if they've uploaded a photo. You can also set the region preference, which is just used for the dashboard, which means you've fine-tuned your view. And lastly, there's the archive user setting. This removes a person from access to the website, and all their password is gone. They can't do anything anymore, but it means that we've stored their name so that we can look up old records and see who's done what. It's important that if someone leaves, they should be archived. Never be tempted to repurpose a person's entry to a new member of staff, because then we won't know which person it's referring to. And again, please do not share logins across your team. Each person should have their own unique login. As a quick reminder to see which pages anybody can see, there's a navigation visualizer which spells out which pages the different levels of senior admin, exec admin and view all centres can see.